So this is a smart helmet that we have built based on Intel Edition kit. Now here is the Intel Edition kit. It is being powered by a 12-volt battery, as you can see. Now this particular project is aimed at providing safety, security and comfort to the rider. Now what we have over here is a Peltier module. This is a temperature control module which can keep the driver's head cool. I have selected this bike helmet because it has got a lot of slots for us to easily put the sensors. We have a couple of indicators. If I can show you, two indicators, and we have an accelerometer sensor that senses the head movement and automatically triggers the indicator. It has got a buzzer which triggers buzzer sound if temperature increases or if the driver meets an accident. We also have as you can see here, we also have a sensor that is collision sensor. This is the vibration sensor, PZO vibration sensor. So if the driver meets an accident, the Intel Edition board can detect this and then can push a notification online. And this is completely isolated unit. As you can see, it has got no connection with the PC, so it just gets connected with the internet using Wi-Fi connectivity. We have set a threshold of about 40 degree and when the 40 degree centigrade is crossed, we are going to trigger the Peltier module. So I'm keeping a shouldering gun pretty close to the temperature sensor, and as the 40 degrees crossed, the sensor is going to be triggered. As you can see, temperature is 40 degree, and as long as it keeps on about 40, it is going to give a message called hot, and the Peltier module is going to remain to be active to keep your head cool. Now if I can show the other way around, as you can see, the relays keep on getting triggered and the Peltier will slowly become cool over here. This is the cold side of the Peltier being entirely triggered by the relay, which is over here. Now I have used a resistor with the Peltier, as you can see here, because the Peltier takes a lot of current which makes the circuit completely out. Now this is how the temperature sensor is going to work. This is the whole setup. Now if I can show you how the I'm going to show you how the accident notification works. Basically we have connected the whole helmet with MQTT. Now it keeps on tracking the temperature, and at the same time, you see, I have given a notification. So once the notification is generated for 10 seconds, it's going to be active. The buzzer is going to be active, and at the same time, it's going to generate a message, MQTT message, that accident has happened. So we are using my MQTT over here for the notification. So this is pretty much it. Now if the driver turns his head, so as the driver turns his head, you can see the indicator glowing. The other way around, the other indicator should glow. So as you move your head, the indicator is going to automatically glow. So if the rider has forgotten to indicate, automatically the indicator is going to be active. And this works pretty much simultaneously. So this is how the whole system works. So we have a battery supply over here. The battery supply is 12 volt 4.5 amps, sufficient for Intel Edition board to be powered up. You can there is an adapter, battery adapter, so you can just recharge this battery wherever the power is down. I have connected an LCD with I2C port, which keeps on giving the temperature value and any other information. We have the left indicator and the right indicator, and we have sensors like this is the accelerometer sensor. As you can see, the accelerometer sensor is used to trigger the left and right movement. So this is what is going to sense the left movement and right movement. So this sensor is responsible, the accelerometer is responsible for this particular sensor. I do also have a vibration sensor. This is the piezo vibration sensor. Now this is going to be responsible for, so as we give it a large vibration, say for instance when we hit it, when the driver meets an accident, immediately it's going to detect that the accident has happened. So and here is our temperature sensor. Here is our temperature sensor that's displaying the result of the temperature, and here is the relay USB cable that I have connected, because it's right now connected with the Wi-Fi connection. It doesn't have any connection. For debugging, it's required that we have this Wi-Fi connection, and whenever my head meets an accident, it's going to show that I have made an accident, and obviously it's going to keep my head cool with the Peltier module right here. With the Peltier module right here, it's going to make my head cool. So if you are living in a hot place, and if India is quite hot and you're not wearing a helmet because this is too hot, you don't have that excuse anymore, because you have this helmet, which is going to keep your head cool, going to give all the information, and what's more, you can actually connect it with Google APIs and whatnot. So yeah, this is about it. I hope you enjoyed this demo of a smart helmet with Intel Edition, completely working prototype. As you can see, completely battery powered, and I hope you enjoyed the demo. See you again soon with one more demo. Till then, take care. Bye bye.